And when it's a black beverage, it doesn't look appealing. Why is it black? And when you taste it, does it feel good in my stomach? It seems like it has so much acid. Maybe you won't be interested, but look at Coca-Cola today. They're a billion-dollar company. They're selling billions every day. But if I'm going to approach you 20 years ago with the same pitch, probably you won't be interested. Do you get my point?
Yes.
But for those people who become interested in distributing a new product in a certain country, in a certain region, they're the one who benefits the most. It's the same opportunity that I'm going to ask you to watch. It's the same opportunity that I'm going to ask you to listen to. You have an opportunity to pioneer distributing a great new product with great benefits that's going to change people's lives in terms of health and people's lives in terms of finances. Okay, so as what Mr. Razon had mentioned, in the Philippines, the company that I'm going to show you called Alliance in Motion Global is a billion peso company. We've created so much millionaires. Our sales are so huge. We're selling millions of pesos on a daily basis. We're selling billions of pesos worth of products on a yearly basis. And we're changing people's lives and people's health. So to begin with, the Alliance in Motion Global is a marketing company. And that's our expertise. We market services and we market products. It started back in the Philippines in 2006. Okay? Next slide, please. Next slide. Okay. Next slide. We founded this company along with my two partners. Guys, we're not businessmen. We're just ordinary people like you. I'm a doctor. I'm not familiar with business, but I was able to study and run a huge company because of this business. I'm a doctor. I partnered with Francis Miguel, who happens to be a computer engineer. He's not a businessman as well. Francis Miguel, for the past 16 to 17 years, have earned more or less 500 million pesos in this kind of business. Another partner of mine, Mr. John Raymond Aspeling, is a very young guy, 30 years old, physical therapist by profession. He's not a businessman, but in his line of business, he used to earn 2 million pesos per month. And we combined our efforts together, that's why it's called Alliance, and we founded this company 3 years ago, and the rest was history. As I mentioned, we created 300 millionaires, and we're expanding in other countries. Last year of October, we started our expansion program in Brunei, and this year and this month and the months that and so on, we'll be starting our expansion program in Singapore, and there are many countries lined up. And at the end of the presentation, you're gonna see the full picture. After launching officially here in Singapore, we're gonna launch in other countries like Malaysia, like Indonesia, like Taiwan, like Hong Kong, Guam, Saipan, Hawaii, and the United States of America. Just imagine, before we launch US, we will launch in Singapore first. Before we launch in Malaysia, in Indonesia, in Hong Kong, in Taiwan, we're gonna launch in Singapore first. So you have the option and the privilege to just have a distribution rights, not only in the Singapore, not only in Malaysia, not only in Indonesia, but throughout the countries that I've made mention of. Am I clear? So to proceed with, we partnered with, okay? Next slide, please. We partnered with, these are some of the awards that we've gathered because of our wonderful product. And this is our wonderful product made by Nature's Way. Next slide, please. We partnered with this company called Nature's Way. Who is Nature's Way? If our company is a billion peso company, Nature's Way is a $1 billion company. $1 billion. They're selling billions of dollars per year worth of products. And they have been existing for the past 50 years. Okay? They're very credible, very stable company. They're well known in the United States of America. And when you make mention of their name, Nature's Way, it is as good as saying, oh, they're the one who pioneered supplements. They're the one who pioneered herbals. Okay? They have a great trade name. They have a great and prestigious brand name in the United States of America. They have more than 200 medical doctors and scientists and herbalists. But what I love about this company is all of their products have very high ORAC value. What does ORAC value stands for? It stands for oxygen radical absorbance capacity. It measures the amount of antioxidants in a supplement. And when you say antioxidant, guys, it has a lot of meaning. When you say antioxidant, it means anti-cancer. When you say antioxidant, it means anti-cholesterol, anti-hypertension, anti-diabetes, anti-arthritis, anti-stress. Okay, so it's more of the good stuff when you mention antioxidants. And do we need antioxidants? Yes. Why do we need antioxidants? Because we are exposed with free radicals. And what are these free radicals? According to the World Health Organization and many medical communities, the cause of all of the diseases around the world, from simple colds and flu to the complicated HIV and even AIDS, the cause are free radicals. And where are these free radicals? They are in the air that we breathe in. We're exposed to air every day. In short, we're exposed to causes of diseases. And the good thing with antioxidants, they kill or they neutralize free radicals. Okay? So we need antioxidants on a day-to-day basis. Because apart from we are exposed to free radicals, we have lifestyle habits that increases our free radicals in our body. Like what? Some of us smoke. Some of us drink alcoholic beverages more than the usual suggested by the medical practitioner. It's good to drink alcoholic beverages or wine every now and then. Say 3 bottles of beer per month. That's okay. 3 bottles of beer per month. Not per day. Some of you guys are taking it per night. Before going to sleep, they say, it makes me relax. It gives me energy the following day. But it's good to take beer, alcoholic beer, just 3 bottles per month. And you should not overdo it because it will basically have some negative effects on your liver. Okay, so some of us smokes. And these 2 vices are the ones shortening our life. Smoking and alcoholic beverages. What else? Some of us eat so much fats or they have a fatty diet. What do you mean? The skin in Hainanese chicken. Diba? What else? The pork, the fats in the pork, the fats in the beef. When you eat your barbecues or with your satay, some of us eat the fat first before the meat itself. And some of us eat heavily grilled food, like barbecue. What else? Like heavily grilled food like fish that has the more black part on it, the higher the carcinogenic elements on it. What are the carcinogenic elements? These are cancer-causing diseases. So it's better to eat non-salty, non-fatty foods. That's why when you get to the hospital, most of the doctors and nurses will tell you, you need to have a low-salt, low-fat diet. Where you're in the hospital, your diet should be low-salt and low-fat. But apparently, when you're outside the hospital, our diets are high-salt and high-fat. So it's kind of contradicting. Because apparently, when you take so much salty food, the natural thing to do is to drink so much water. And when you have so much water or liquid inside your body, okay, the greater the liquid or the water in our body, the greater the potential of us having hypertension or having stroke. And it's very difficult. It's very critical. I mean, when you have your blood pressure checked, you're high blood or you're hypertensive. It's 140 over 100, 150 over 100. And with some very minimal work, you feel you're exhausted, you feel you're very tired because your heart is not used to exercising. Your heart is not used to strenuous work, and your diet